What's up, YouTube? This is part 2 of the tutorial. On this video, we will be sketching out the headliner. I will be using a marker to draw the holes I want to drill in. And yeah, and also the kit came with different type drill bits, so I'll be using these. And I'm gonna use a hot glue gun to glue the fibers through. So let's get to it. guys, we finished drilling all the holes, the little tiny little holes. So what I'm gonna be doing next is running the fiber optics through the holes. First, I'm gonna start off by zip tying it so I can keep it organized. Just this little piece here, and I'm gonna run it in the trunk. So it's a little hole that leads from here, and it comes out through that hole. It's one of these holes it comes out through, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. First, let's go ahead and zip tie. All right, you guys, so I did end up having to take this piece off because it wouldn't fit with this. So this is the hole right there, and you stick it through this hole right here. Alright, let me show you guys where it come out at it. And it comes out right up here. And that's where I'm gonna be running my box at. Comes out right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and start sticking the fiber optics through. Alright, YouTube, we back. This is the next day, and I can say it's been a long process. I think this is probably the hardest part, is sticking all the fibers through the roof. But we back, and now we about to hot glue it. So let's get straight to it. Alright, YouTube, that wraps it up for this video. All of them are glued. Overall, I have to say the hardest part was sticking the fibers through all the holes. That took me a day and a half just to put all 550 through each one of these holes. So yeah, that's the most hardest part, but gluing it is fairly simple. It only took me like 15 minutes. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Part 3 will be me installing it back up and hooking it back up. Hooking the light engine up, and yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.